What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech tutorials, and we're going to be showing you how to apply this MagGlass tempered glass screen protector to your brand new Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Let's check it out. So this is the MagGlass tempered glass screen protector Note 10 Plus. Gotta get this thing open, so we're just gonna go down the side here. Maybe just pop it open. There we go. All right, thanks for your support, all that good stuff. Let's see what else we got in here. Put the box up here. All right, so I always like a tempered glass protector that comes with a guide like that. Big ups MagGlass for that. All right, so you get your normal terry cloth, alcohol wipe, dust remover, all that good stuff. And then right here, you get this. It's gonna help you put your screen on. So I'm assuming it just pops on like that. We gotta clean the screen first though. Let's see what we got written on here. All right, Note 10 Pro, it says Note 10 Pro goes up that way. So we're just gonna sit that there, and we got our glass screen right here. So very important to know right here that for on-screen fingerprint sensor to work, you must re-add your fingerprint to this screen after it has been installed. So what I need to do now is turn my phone back on. I'm gonna take my fingerprint out, and then I'm gonna add my fingerprint after I put this on. So stay tuned. Okay, so I've taken my fingerprints out of here, and I got everything I need out. So I got my wet wipe, my dry wipe, my terry cloth, and I got my dust remover right here. So what I'm gonna do is take my wet wipe, and I always like to turn my screen off before I put a screen protector on there, just to make sure that we get everything on there right and avoid that electrostatic buildup on there. There we go. Put that to the side. And really, I don't think you need a dry one, just because that alcohol film normally kind of clears up behind itself pretty good. And MagGlass terry cloth, wipe that down really well. To the side, dust remover is the last thing I'm gonna do. And you get 2 of those. Now I picked this screen up for about 14 bucks. And I touched that, so I'm gonna break this one out. Okay, all the little dust particles, specks off. It should be nice and clean. Now we're gonna drop that on, and then the next thing is we are going to take this off, and we're gonna just drop it down in there. Take that off, line it up, got it in, snaps in. Okay, and there we go. Next, I'm gonna take this off right here. Well, let's make sure we got this on first and pop that off. Okay, screen protector is on, and did not know that I was gonna get one of these circles in my screen. Okay, from the box, it just kind of looks like, hey, you can put your phone, you put your finger here and, you know, do your thing. But you actually get a circle right there in the middle of your screen. Okay. So I can tell you right off bat, I don't like that already. I do not like that circle in the middle of my screen. The screen protector is probably gonna be coming off. I like the fact that you can, you know, install it easily install. Comes with that guide. I just don't like that. I don't like it. You see it? Let me zoom in. See that right there? That circle in the middle of my screen, right there. That circle. I don't like that. All right, so we got to put a fingerprint back in here. So I'm coming into biometrics, and I'm gonna throw a fingerprint in there and put my code in. so y'all can't steal my phone. All right, scan your fingerprint to register. Okay, what happened? Put this back in. All right, here we go. Scanning my fingerprint. Scanning my fingerprint. Scanning my fingerprint. Scanning. Press a little harder. If I press any harder, I'm gonna push through my phone. Okay, it's coming off. 100% jokes, okay? Do not buy MagGlass. Do not purchase this. It's not working. I'm gonna put it back on just for you guys, just so y'all can see once again. Line it up with that hole up there. Putting it back on. All right. We'll try it again, just for my skeptics, just so I'm not leaving a bad review. Okay, fingerprint. Put my code in. All right, here we go. Attention, make sure your fingerprint is dry. Okay, yeah. Coming off. Now, I'm gonna add a fingerprint. No screen attached. I want my fingerprint on there. There we go. As soon as I press down on it, it's picking it up. I'm barely touching it. Working, no problems. Okay, get full scan. There we go, 2, 3, and there we go. Got my fingerprint on there. I'm gonna just put one in there for right now, just because I don't want this video to be 10 minutes long. But yeah, I don't recommend MagGlass. I did see some people say it had good reviews, but nope, not for me, not the one. So I'll leave a link below just in case you want to try this out for yourself. But I'm telling you right now, it's a no-go for me. It's not gonna work. MagGlass is not where it's at for the Note 10 Plus. Hopefully this is able to help someone out. Maybe I can save you a little money. Be sure to give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.